Hello there, brilliant minds. Before we dive in, do us a favor, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more educational content. We're going to unravel the mystery of compound sentences. Now let's get started with today's topic, compound sentences. So what exactly are compound sentences? They're one of the four basic sentence structures, and they combine two or more independent clauses. These independent clauses are complete sentences that can stand alone, but when they're joined together using coordinating conjunctions like for and nor but or yet so, remember it by the acronym FANBOYS, or punctuation marks like semicolons, they form a compound sentence. Now that we know what compound sentences are, it's time to look at when we should use them. Firstly, we use compound sentences when we want to connect closely related ideas. This is a way to add richness and depth to our statements, while also keeping the reader engaged. Take, for instance, I love reading books, and I have a huge collection at home. Here, the two independent clauses are linked by the coordinating conjunction and, forming a compound sentence that gives a fuller picture of the speaker's passion for books. That was our first example. Let's move on to the second one. Secondly, we use compound sentences to provide contrast. This is done by connecting two independent clauses that present contrasting ideas. Let's take a look at an example. I wanted to play football, however, it was raining outside. Here, the two contrasting ideas are the desire to play football and the reality of the weather. The conjunction, however, connects these contrasting thoughts, creating a compound sentence that provides a richer, more nuanced understanding of the situation. That was the second example. Let's move on to the third one. Thirdly, compound sentences are used to add variety and sophistication to our writing. They allow us to express complex ideas with clarity and style. Let's dive into our third example. Consider the sentence, I was hungry, so I made a sandwich. Here, we've connected two independent clauses with the coordinating conjunction, so. The first clause, I was hungry, gives the reason for the action in the second clause, I made a sandwich. The compound sentence clearly shows the relationship between these two ideas. Moving on to our fourth example, I didn't see him at the party, nor did I expect to. This sentence uses the coordinating conjunction nor to connect two negative ideas. The first clause, I didn't see him at the party, is followed by a second clause that adds further information, nor did I expect to. The use of nor emphasizes the negativity of both clauses. Lastly, let's examine our fifth example. She was not very rich. She was, however, very happy. In this compound sentence, we've used a semicolon and the transitional adverb however to join two contrasting ideas. It tells us that despite not being very rich, she was very happy. The semicolon and however bring these two independent clauses together, creating a compound sentence that paints a fuller picture of the situation. And that sums up our 5 examples of when to use compound sentences. So that's a wrap on when to use compound sentences. We've explored what they are and dove into 5 detailed examples. Remember, practice makes perfect. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay curious, stay brilliant, and keep learning. See you in our next video.